The Pont Alexandre III. The Pont Alexandre III is widely regarded as the most ornate and extravagant bridge in Paris, connecting the Champs-Élysées quarter, right bank, with the Invalides and Eiffel Tower quarter, left bank, across the Seine River. Here is a summary of its history, architectural features, and what makes it a must-see landmark. History and significance. A symbol of friendship. The bridge was constructed between 1896 and 1900 and inaugurated for the 1900 Universal Exhibition, World's Fair. Its primary purpose was to symbolize the strong Franco-Russian Alliance concluded in 1892. Named after a Tsar. It is named after Tsar Alexander III of Russia. His son, Tsar Nicholas II, laid the foundation stone in 1896. As a gesture of reciprocity, the Trinity Bridge, Troïtsky, was commissioned in Saint Petersburg. Engineering marvel. The design was an engineering feat for its time, featuring a very low, single-span steel arch only 6 meters, 20 feet high. This low profile was intentional to ensure the bridge would not obstruct the monumental views of the Champs-Élysées and the Hôtel des Invalides. Historical monument. The Pont Alexandre III has been classified as a French monument historique since 1975. Magnificent architectural features. The bridge is a stunning example of Beaux-Arts architecture combined with elements of Art Nouveau, and its decoration is lavish. Location, decoration and allegory. 4 pylons at each corner. Gilded fames restraining Pegasus, winged horses on top of 17-meter-tall masonry SOCLES. Right bank. Fame of the sciences and fame of the arts. Left bank. Fame of commerce and fame of industry. Pylon bases, seated statues of lions and groups of sculptures representing different eras of France. Right bank. France of Charlemagne and contemporary France. Left bank. France of the Renaissance and France of Louis XIV. Center of the arch. 2 hammered copper reliefs, nymphs. Nymphs of the Seine, with the arms of Paris, face the nymphs of the Neva, with the arms of Imperial Russia, commemorating the Franco-Russian Alliance. Deck and parapet. 32 bronze candelabras, ornate lamp posts, cherubs, nymphs, and other water-themed genii. The Art Nouveau lamps light the bridge, giving it a magical atmosphere at night. Location and views. The Pont Alexandre III is a popular spot for photography, especially at sunrise or sunset when its gilded statues shimmer. From the bridge, you can enjoy stunning, unobstructed panoramic views of several iconic Parisian landmarks. To the north, right bank. The Grand Palais and the Petit Palais. To the south, left bank. The majestic Hôtel des Invalides, with its golden dome. Westward. A fantastic view of the Eiffel Tower. Hope you enjoyed the views.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? See you in my next content.